welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you one big mistake I did myself, but what I encourage, what I teach in my course, what people do is basically I created this video for this video course, but I forgot completely to add the QR codes on top of the video before I actually publish them on YouTube. Because once it's gonna get the views from YouTube, people would watch and people would go away and just get a skill or get something. But if there would be I put the branding, the QR code on a corner of the video, then people would have a chance at least to take out their phones and scan the QR code and see whatever I offer. So without further ado, let's go in. How can we do that? So I'll just gonna open up CapCut. It's a free tool that you can use on PC, and you can use as well on mobile phones, but I'll showing everything how to do on PC. So let's open up CapCut and let's create a new project. So now when we create a new project, first thing we need to do, we import the videos we want to put on. So let's see what is my last video, or I don't know which video. Okay, for purpose of this video, I'll just gonna do for how to do the basic SEO on YouTube. So I'll adding. So next, I need to import another file, which would be the QR code that I teach in another video that you need to download and before you put out the content. So I'll just need to find quickly where is for this specific satisfaction agency. This would be the one. I'll put myself there. So now all I need to do, put a video there and put the QR code there, so it appears on the front. I'm just gonna take all the way through the video, and obviously we will resize, not like this, just on top, and we will resize to make sure that our branding, whatever we do, whatever video we putting out, it's either in one corner or other corner. Let's say I'll just put this there because I think it's out of the eyes, but still people would be able to see. So once I'm happy with the video, I can just go there and export. I'm gonna make this a bit louder. You just come there, make it a little bit louder. So this is how to use CapCut. It's a free software that helps you on producing high quality videos. So I'm gonna just go to export. So this is what gonna be the video name, how to add the QR code on your video before posting. So I'm gonna export, so it's go to this export, and as you can see in a couple of seconds the video will be done. And that's what I suggest. Always after you recording the video for your course, go this extra step. It takes only, as you see, it's less than 5 minutes. You put on your QR code, and now when you're gonna put out on the YouTube and do the SEO, it would be complete package. Every time people scan, they can come to the landing page. That again leads them to follow you on other social networks or take an action. By the way, if I would scan the QR code, for me it would look like, let me just open, open. For me it would look like this, and every time someone would scan the QR code, they would see what is the offer, and specifically for this is that it's offering people to join the satisfaction income roadmap, where I showing straight away exactly what needs to do without any bullshit. So stay tuned, come and join the course if you haven't, and I'll see you inside.